Hi everyone, thank you for coming and watching us again. Today we're going to talk about the 3 upgrades that your HVAC system should have in your home. Number 1, a humidifier. Do you feel itchy? Do you feel dry? Your hair frizzy? I mean, if you're feeling all those things and much more, runny noses, bloody noses, static in the carpet, you need a humidifier. Humidifiers are very good to have in the winter, and it's something that is a must-have for your health as well. Another one is a UV light. For those who don't have one, here's the benefits to having one. A UV light, what it's going to do is that any airborne bacteria that is actively in your home, it's going to kill it before it actually grows. And once it comes back into your duct stream, it's going to kill it once it hits the coil. Now, if you do have air conditioning in your home, water builds in that air conditioning and it sits there. We all know that standing water builds up bacteria growth tremendously. So the UV light, what it's gonna do, it's gonna kill it, zap it, and not allow it to grow any further and go into the airstream. Have you guys ever felt sick for a week or 2 or 3 weeks and the cough just doesn't go away, the runny nose and the headaches? A UV light will prevent all that because your air is now going to be a lot cleaner. Number 3 is air filtration. Air filtration is one of the biggest important things out there, which a lot of people feel, well, I'll just grab the $3 filter versus the $50 filter. It's not that big of a deal, right? I mean, it should do the same job, which it doesn't. What happens is that the $3 filter, it has a less MERV rating. With that less MERV rating, what's gonna happen is that your airstream is gonna go through that filter, and all the dust, bacteria, and everything else that it went through it is gonna go through the other side. Now, the higher the MERV rating, the more expensive the filter is, but you tell me, is your health worth it?